In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without showing your face using Vidnami. Vidnami is a video creation software that has been used countless times by many professionals to create excellent videos for their business. Vidnami is growing leaps and bounds as people are discovering that they can make videos without having to actually be on camera. My name is Robert Poole. My website is enterpriseformula.com. I provide tips and strategies to help you with your online marketing. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I do another video. Videos are an excellent way to advertise your business or product. You see promotional videos all the time, some with people on them talking and some with no one on them at all, but yet they get the message across on video. I got some great news for you because I'm going to show you how to make a video for your business without showing your face. Watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you some successful YouTube channels and we're going to create a video from scratch, and that's a step-by-step process, so hang in there with me. When I first found this program, I was very excited that I could put a video together without having to put my face or voice on it if I didn't want to. The great thing is that you can use this video on YouTube or Instagram or on your blog. You can download it and then you can use it for whatever purpose you find necessary. You can find a link to the software in the description below. If you happen to be looking for a safe and effective program to help you with your online marketing, I have some free training in the description below that will give you all the answers to all the questions that you may need before you actually get started with your online business, so that you don't make any mistakes and start buying all these crazy shiny objects. Nowadays, we are so fortunate that we can advertise our business with these modern video creation programs that were created with the understanding that there are people that want to use video but don't want to be on camera. And let's create a short video so that you can see that you can actually do this yourself after a very short learning curve. When you're actually making a video, one of the problems that you have is making sure that the environment is conducive to the actual video itself. In other words, the lighting, your facial expressions, how you may appear on the camera itself, the tone of your voice, etc., etc., etc. When you're making a video without actually being on camera, those are some of the things that you no longer have to worry about. The only thing that you have to focus on is creating the script. That's the only work that you will actually have to do. The software will do all the rest. It's really amazing that something like this is available for us to use nowadays. Before we get started though, I want to show you some successful YouTube videos with nobody on them that are being created on a daily basis with huge success. This is the Serious Fitness channel, and as you can see, there's no one on camera. As you can see, these are all just simply videos that show you how to do something, basically dealing with food and food preparation and things of that nature. But I just wanted to show you that you can do these videos without being on camera. And one other thing I wanted to show you about this site is, if you look, you'll see right here 1.41 million subscribers. And I'm using a tool called Social Blade to get this particular information, but it shows you the estimated monthly revenue that's going through this site. And it says anything from $1.3 thousand to $21,000 per month. They got 40,000 subscribers the last 30 days, and the views in the last 30 days were 5,303,000. Obviously, showing videos without being on camera is not hindering the possibilities of making tons of money. This is how Vidnami would look when you first go to the website, and when you log in, this is where you will be inside of your dashboard. And this is called the My Videos area, and they're only going to start adding up videos as you create videos. They'll be stored on this site right here. So these are videos that I actually created. Today I'm doing a short demonstration just to show you how quickly you can create a video with this program. But if you want a full demonstration of how it works, just click the link above this video. First thing we're going to do, just click create a new video. This is how it's going to look when you get into this dashboard. You're going to have the templates, the scripts, the scenes, the voice, the preview, and the download. And that's it. And for each step, which we're going to go through right now, first thing you would do is create a template. And when you look for templates, you have all different types that you can choose from. You can use content videos, you can use influencer videos, and this is how they look. This is where you would insert yourself into a video and the wording would be on the outside of each one, just like an ad. Then you have the instant ads. And this is how they look. And you have the sales videos. You have your course training videos. And then you have property videos, in case you're interested in real estate or something like that. This is where your custom templates would be. So let's go up to a content video. Let me show you how easy this is. Now take note of exactly how these are actually being displayed, because if you look at the text here, it's of course up to your preference how you want the text to be displayed, but this is how it'll be displayed once you actually pick the template that you like. So for me, I like to go ahead and just use regular content videos, because the formats, as you look right here, it says all formats, but you can actually choose between landscape and square formats. And I like landscape formats because these are pretty much the typical format that people display their videos in. We'll look at landscape, and then I also have a particular type of way that I like my text to be displayed. So I like it to show what it is that's being said, but not be too crowded on the screen itself. So let's do this one. So I'll click that, and now you can actually scroll into here and you can click on it and get a preview of what it's going to look like. So let's say you like that one. You go ahead and click use this template. The next thing that you would have to do is to add your script. So you should have a script prepared in order to make this work. Now I'm going to use a short script, and I'm going to show you why in just a second. So I found a short script I want to use. I'm going to paste it in. Each scene is going to show these sentences as they are on the screen here. Had I had them closer together or longer, each scene is going to pick it up exactly the way you display it right here on the scene. So you have control over how much text is on each scene. And I'll show you what I mean when I create this. Let's call this weight loss. And then you simply click create scenes. Now Vidnami is going to quickly create the scenes for you. And as you scroll through here, you'll see that it has completed the script, added it to the scenes. So let's take a quick look through here and see if everything is the way we want it. If you look at the script, it says the key is to lower your overall body fat with moderate, that's the way we had it, intensity, physical activity, and a healthy. So this is not spelled correctly. I guess we got to correct this. So what you would do is just simply click in there, and you can highlight the words that you actually want to change, and you can say intense, intense, and delete the Y, and we have intense physical activity and a healthy diet. Let's go to the next one. When you reduce your total body fat, okay, that's fine. You'll also be reducing your belly fat. So let's say we want to highlight fat here. So you just basically highlight it and you click the bold sign, and that highlights it. All right, let's go to the next one. So if you want to do abdominal exercises, let's say we don't like where this text is located. If you look here, you'll see this little box here. You click it, and you can actually change the position of the text by moving it to one of these other squares. So I want to move it at the bottom, and that's how you do that. So go to the next one, make them part of your fitness routine. So if we go up here, I notice one that I didn't like. The key is to lower your overall body fat with moderate, intense physical activity, and a healthy diet. Let's say I want these two scenes to actually be different. So let's say, if you look here, you'll see that you have an option for clips and images. And you can use this search bar to actually put a term in there and it'll search with clips and images to try to match what you're looking for. So what I want to do is I'm just going to use weight loss. So the key is to lower your overall body fat. So let's use this clip here. And let's say we want to combine these two images. What you do is just click this and it says link to previous scene using the same media, layout, and motion. So you click that and now this is going to be combined to make both of these clips coincide with those terms that we got in there. Okay, so we've made some changes and I've showed you a few things that you can do with this software. Now it says add voice track to your media, and if you look here you could add the option to add auto voice. You can do no voice track, which is music only, or you can record your own voice track. What I'm going to do is let's do a no voice track, music only, and let's preview the video. So if you click it, it's going to create the scenes. It's really quick. And now you can just click here to preview it. Now, how you make your money is, this is how you would provide your traffic to a sales funnel, which would consist of a lead magnet, which would be the subscriber, the person that you're trying to attract to whatever it is you're selling. And they would come into your opt-in page. And of course, they would opt in and go through your funnel, which of course consists of your email, autoresponder, and your thank you and your download pages and all of the things that you would do once you actually got them into your funnel. But the way you would get them in there would be by making YouTube videos. So your YouTube videos would be your traffic. If you would like to see a video that shows this whole process, just click the link in the description above. I hope this video provided value for you. In the walkthrough that I invited you to go and see, I actually did the voiceover with my voice and with the automated voice and a few more tricks and things that you can learn about this program if you're actually interested. Just click that link above this video and check it out. And although Vidnami is a great video creation tool, it's a tool that will help you with your marketing endeavors. But if you click the link below, I have a free offer for you. So click that link in the description below so that you can get access to a blueprint that will give you all the training you need to get started online successfully and show you how to quit buying all those shiny objects.